And now for the unboxing video, we'll see what we have behind this nasty old friction tape. It's seen better days. It's just falling apart. It's not even holding to itself anymore. We can see one thing here. Yes, this Crosby was attached the right way with the saddle on the live end, but it is the malleable cast iron type, which is not what we should be using in theater. If you have to cover up your stuff, use clear heat shrink. Clearly the wrong Crosbys, the wrong wire rope clips, old rusted cable, it's gotta go. It's bird caging, it's got no thimble, and it's got a dog clip. All reasons to get rid of it. And it's 1/4" cable. You need to use 3 wire rope clips. I should look that up and confirm, but I'm pretty sure 1/4" is still 3 wire rope clips minimum. One of the bigger sizes up from that, you get to 4 and more wire rope clips. Remember, the charts from manufacturers are industrial and construction applications, often for static loads. Overhead rigging and entertainment should always use 3 clips minimum at every termination point. Charts with malleable iron clips require more clips than their forged variety and are not safe for overhead rigging. So, there aren't enough wire rope clips, and they're not properly spaced apart. I don't remember what the proper spacing is. I know someone in the other video posted what the proper spacing is, but it's something you can look up. Look up the proper spacing on how far they have to be apart based upon the diameter of your cable. Yeah, here on this channel, we don't do the traditional unboxing. We're not unboxing a gift that we got. We're unboxing some nasty ass crap that someone left us from decades ago. That's much more fun unboxing, right? This one still actually has a little bit of its friction stickiness to it. Still ugly as sin and nasty, nasty ass stuff. And it looks like these 2 were installed correctly, and one of them is actually a forged clip. The other one is malleable iron. 1 correct clip, spacing still too far apart, and still not enough Crosbys. Need 3 of these wire rope clips. And same thing, no thimble, bird caging and kinking happening on the end of the rope, and the nasty ass dog clip that's gotta go.